Seen the girls? They are so beautiful with their long blonde silky hair. And the boys, they have eyes to die for. Oh, I want to look like them. I want to feel like them, and I want to be like them. Make me over and color me that way. I want to look like them. You called my bluff. And with one smooth, slow breath, you took away my so-called tough. No more Mother Mary. My innocence all of a sudden became a smooth criminal. High school marriage, we were heaven bound. But we got divorced. But then we remarried again. And at 16, everything was sweet. He came in and swept me right off my feet. Literally. And 9 months later, because the enemy started trying to play on my mind again and say, oh, you're just going to tell all your business, huh? Be like mine. But I know it's somebody in here today that has gone through the same thing that I've gone through. Oh, my God, but he rested on the power and the word of the Lord. And we are here today. Every time you get up and you open your eyes, it's another day to walk through the mess that you have gone through. Every hour I need